Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Kate. For today's video, we are doing a pack and prep with me. Actually, for next week's video, we're planning to travel to the Washington and Oregon coast in the Pacific Northwest. We've never been before. We are gonna take Bear with us. He goes everywhere with us. He loves to travel. He's such a big goober. So yeah, I am super excited to see what we get into. I hope you guys follow along and that you enjoy, and please give this video a like and thumbs up. So I did order some packages for this trip, so I will be showcasing some of the items. I actually am waiting for the postal service to drop something today, and I really hope that it gets here in time. So yeah, I'm going to do a try-on haul. So I just wanted to kind of showcase, this is the current state of my room. I am trying to put together like some outfits, like fall colors. These are some new shoes that I did pick up. They're super cute, a nice fall color. I do have some things to try and like weed through. It's a start. So the first outfit that I will be taking with me is this sweater from Grey Bandit and these quint pants from Free People. This sweater is very soft and cozy. I've actually been saving it for this trip, so I'm very excited to style it and wear it. The next outfit that I'll be taking with me is this very bright blue sweatshirt from the Beach Club and these PJ pants from Grey Bandit. Very soft, very cozy. That's kind of what we're going for on this trip. I think that the Pacific Northwest is usually quite like dreary and rainy, so we are going for all of the cozy vibes. The back of this sweater is super cute. I love the details. Can't really see it, but anyway, I think that it's really nice. This next outfit I'm very excited about. I've been saving this one as well for a very long time. This is a TNA Polar Tech fleece from Aritzia. Outfit is actually not what I originally had planned for. I did want to have like a white or like cream color long sleeve on underneath. I did order some, but unfortunately it didn't come in time, so I just threw this one on for now. Perhaps I'll go and buy one. So, bye Bear. These pants, they are from Free People. They are very loose and comfy. They kind of have like a barrel style. Yeah, so very fall. I do like it, but I think it would look much better with the cream underneath. So I think we'll have to go shopping. Going on for the outfit that I just had on, I just threw on these Lululemon pants. They are in the color Sequoia. They kind of match like everything else that I'm wearing, so maybe these will come along with me as well. Next up, we have this vest from Free People. It's like a Sherpa style. It's very boxy, but I do like it. I'm thinking that this outfit would go probably with either of these chunky Uggs. Not really sure which ones yet, but I do think that it is very cute. Okay, next up we have this Free People pullover Sherpa sweater. It is very nice and very warm. I am hoping kind of for like cooler fall weather. I'm also packing like a lot of fuzzy and warm things, so I'm hoping that it's actually not too hot. I do want to have like a more fall crisp trip. Actually much rather to style like warm and cozy things, because that's just who I am. I do have it paired with the Lululemon No Line Align leggings. Probably wear this with like some little Uggs or maybe my Birkenstocks. This next outfit is from Aerie. I do have the sweatshirt tucked a little bit, and you've probably seen these sweatpants from me before. I was thinking to pair with these little Adidas shoes. They're so fall and I cannot wait to wear them. I think that they're gonna go with a lot of the outfits that I've already tried, and especially this one I think would look really nice like on Cannon Beach. The next outfit that I have is from FP Movement. Know me, or if you're getting to know me, this is my favorite color, blue. These hiking pants I found online. They're like a barrel style. I think that they're super cute. I think I'd probably wear like on a rainy day, or like if it's a bit chilly outside. I think that it would make a really cute outfit with like some Blundstones, maybe on the beach, or just like hanging around. The next item that I have is this jacket from FP Movement. I really like the color. It's something different that I actually don't currently have in my closet, so when I saw it online, I did decide to purchase it for this trip. I think that this will also go really nice paired with like a pair of Uggs, or maybe even my Birkenstocks if we're gonna go do like a waterfall hike, or maybe even just some shopping. Next outfit that I have is probably my most favorite outfit. It is more like a hiking. These pants are the crinkle nylons from Lululemon. They do have like a little piece that you can cinch the bottom, but I do like that they're very baggy and oversized. This jacket is from Arc'teryx. This is my tried and true. I wear this jacket all the time. I wear it in the summer. I wear it as a rain jacket. I wear it snowboarding. It is a little bit of an investment piece. I have put so many people on this jacket. All of my friends and family have one. If you don't have one, I highly recommend getting one. You will not be disappointed. Arc'teryx, please sponsor me. We have another hiking outfit. These pants are actually from Colombia. I picked them up at Sporting Life. They are like a bit of a barrel style. They are kind of like a mock of the Arc'teryx pants. I couldn't get them in my size, so this was like the next best thing. They are very comfortable, very stretchy. I think they'll be really nice like on a hike. And of course the same jacket. All right, another outfit choice that I do have. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna take this one with me. These are the Columbia pants that I just had on. This Sherpa sweater is from TNA. I've had it for a long time, so it does have like a different label on it. I think the ones coming out now, they do have like a little mountaintop on it, which I'd actually so much prefer. But anyway, it's literally the same. My hair covers it, so it is what it is. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna take this one with me. I don't really like this one, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, so the next outfit that I have is not really an outfit, but more or less an accessory. I did pick up this bag from Lululemon. It is quite big, a lot bigger than any other purses that I do own, but I thought that it would be really nice if I didn't want to carry a backpack to kind of put all of our camera gear in, maybe some snacks. I do really like the color and that it can go like as a crossbody or just over the shoulder. It is very comfortable and I'm definitely taking this one with me. Sorry guys, my camera died. The final outfit that I have planned to take with me on this trip is actually from Amazon. This vest and these shorts. I actually most recently saw Natalie Zazek wear this in Switzerland and I thought that it was super cute. I probably wouldn't pair it with this t-shirt. This is an old gym t-shirt that I had. Like I said, my basics the basics that I did order did not come, so I will be purchasing those along the way. I do have these like little sunglasses that I thought would be really cute. So yeah. I was just going through my closet and found this old denim jacket that I had. I don't wear it very often, but I do think that it would be really nice to wear maybe on Cannon Beach. So I think that this one might actually come along too. Okay, so that is everything for the try-on portion of this video. There is actually one package that I am expecting today. I really hope that it gets here and gets here in time for us to go. I think I'm actually gonna go and check the mailbox and see if it's there or not, and fingers crossed. Everything. I probably do have some more toiletries to add later, but that's it for now. It is actually much later in the day, but look what finally came. Let's do an unboxing and see what we got. Probably not the most aesthetic unboxing, but anyway. So the first thing that I got is this little headband. Thought that it was really nice and kind of went with the fall theme that I'm going for. I already have a headband kind of like this, but just in a different color, and I really like it. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I ordered is a pair of pants, and I'm not really sure if I'm gonna like them. They're a bit different. Okay, these look absolutely ginormous. I was thinking to kind of wear them with the Arc'teryx jacket. It actually doesn't really look that bad with this. I have to try them on nonetheless. Okay, the final item that I got is what I'm most excited for. It is this really nice knit cardigan. We are going somewhere very special when we are leaving Washington, and this is kind of what I wanted to wear. Isn't that adorable? Eee. Maybe it's ugly cute. It's like it is ugly cute, but I do really like it. It has these cute little blueberry details on the sleeve, which I think are so adorable. I had planned to wear with like a white undershirt and maybe like some black barrel jeans from Free People. It's like a European inspired sweater, and perhaps where we're going is European inspired. Probably won't try it on now because it is getting later in the evening, but I am very excited to wear this and pack this with me. So now that all of my items have arrived, minus one, I think I'm going to find a place to stuff this in my suitcase, and for the rest of this evening, I think I'm just gonna hang out, maybe take Bear for a little sunset walk. I just found this new like boardwalk down by the river. It is so beautiful. We've been going every night to try and catch sunset. So maybe I'll take you guys along with us. Transition to us walking on the boardwalk. Well, that kind of concludes everything that I have planned for this week's video. I hope that you did enjoy following along with us. Please stay tuned for next week when we start our road trip to Portland. See you then. Bye.